So for today's video guys, maghahanap tayo ng kaibigan dito sa 18 plus meet people around the world.
Itong laro na to ay iba't ibang klase na bansa ang makakasalamuha at makakausap mo. Merong Nigerian, Singapore, Japan, Philippines, syempre di mawawala yan. Meron ding mga Indo. Halina't maghanap tayo ng kaibigan dito sa larong to. Tara!
Saan kaya may mga Pilipino? Hello?
Hi.
Can we friends?
I don't understand you because your mic is boogs boogs like that.
Huh?
Yes, I'm from Philippines.
Sawadee ka!
I'm from Baguio City.
Wow!
Oh wow, really? Okay, I see. Do you have an Instagram account? Can I follow you? Let's be mutual.
Oh, what's your IG? Nawala yung mic natin guys, naban tayo. Kichiksin natin to guys, liligawan natin siya. Wow guys, makukuha natin yung Instagram account niya tapos liligawan natin siya. Ayun ang goal natin.
Oh. What's your okay. My IG is psw.rssl. I will follow you right now. Yan guys.